What's going on? Today's video we're going to be going to Austin's house to install his new dual caliper setup on his E46. We're also going to be installing his Hydro Brake. I'm not sure what company that's from, but we're going to be going to the junkyard picking up two calipers off of an old E46 or E36, I'm sure the same. And then we're going to be also cutting off some ears off a caliper and mounting them to the knuckle just to make that kind of work. Do some like custom brackets to make the caliper setup work. His hydro is not inline, it actually has a reservoir, so the dual caliper setup is definitely going to be a lot better than doing an inline. Today a few goodies came in the mail for not the Datsun but for my other project car, which is an SC300. It's a 97. It's going to be my practice drift car. I'm not going to be worried too much about getting scratches because I'm going to be repainting it, so every time it gets scratched or dinged or anything, just do a little spray paint or something over the top of it. But today I got a couple things in the mail for the SC, and here they are. So I did get some pink, hot pink race quip harnesses. They're 16.1 certified, so no worries there. And I also got a D&D Performance Interior purple suede steering wheel. This thing is freaking sweet. Fucking love it. Got the gold quick release hub as well. I'm still waiting on the energy hub adapter for the SC, so I can't actually mount it onto the vehicle yet, but gonna be sweet. We're gonna head over to Austin's house now. I'm gonna go pick him up. We're gonna head to the junkyard and then we'll meet you guys there. So we made it to Austin's house. He's right here. We're gonna be going to the junkyard, getting the calipers ready to get them mounted up, and then we'll meet you guys there. Okay, so we just picked up the two calipers from the junkyard. We're about to head back home, figure out where everything's gonna go, kind of get a plan for all the brackets and everything, and then we're gonna mount it all up. Probably not the calipers today, but we're definitely gonna get the hydro into place, probably create a bracket for it, get it all set up. It's right here. It's looking pretty cool. It's probably gonna go somewhere in this area.
Yeah, this is what I was thinking. So we'll set it like where we want it, and we'll take a marker, trace it out, and we'll pull these plugs and just cut out this entire fucking section right here, and you know, get it mounted in. Because E46s and E36s are like kind of a pain in the ass when it comes to mounting hydro, because the window switches are here. So, but I want it right here.
Yeah, we're gonna take this plate off here, take this switch out, probably put it over to here, move this one up, just create like something here with like a Dremel or something, and then we'll just cut out this whole section. Same with the part of the center console, and we'll mount it down low. So the reservoir is probably going to sit somewhere around right here. Probably going to have to trim back here.
You got tape?
Yeah.
This fucking angle grinder.
I don't know why, but for some reason, Milwaukee, you should probably send me a new one, because this is a huge problem. Every time you, well, not every time, but a lot of the times, probably because we're not using the necessary tool to tighten it. But if you let go the throttle, I guess, it backs itself off and the wheel comes off. Yep. So Milwaukee, send me another one, please.
See you for third.
Third, yeah.
Supposed to be going right in my face.
First time over here. You tried.
Huh?
Said you tried.
I think it'll cut.
See? I told you. Maybe it's the angle. Nah, it's definitely just from not tightening it with the tool.
It's thread lock.
Thread lock? I won't be able to get it off and on then. Okay, so we got the center console pieces cut out, ready for the hydro. We're about to start making the mount for it now. but it does look pretty good where it's at. We do got to do a little bit more trimming just to clean things up a little bit, but so far so good. Just gonna take this back apart, create a mount, and then we'll put it back up together and we'll show you what's going on. Okay, so we made a stencil cutout out of cardboard for where the hydro is going to be sitting inside. Right now we're actually going to be putting this onto some 1/4 inch plate to make the bracket. We'll make 2 of these, stack them back to back. We'll cut 2 holes, one bigger than the other, to set a stud down in, so it like recedes down in there. And then the stud will be sticking out on both sides, so we can slide the hydro over the top, put some nuts on it, and then it'll be good to go. And then we'll just weld it in right to the trans tunnel, and it's going to be cool.
That'll be playing strong too. Just with tacks all around.
Just back it. Back it up, man. Get chicken nugget. Oh.
So we got the bracket made, sitting down there. It still needs to be welded to the trans tunnel, but he got it in the perfect position where he wants it. It looks very nice. There's what Babe got over here.
Remember when I bought this? To anybody that follows me, which is all of you, because I told you guys to follow him. When I bought this car, first I was going to flip it. Then I started driving. I'm like, oh, man, I really like this thing. I'm going to daily this thing. It's a nice daily. It's got heated seats. Now, it's got a race seat, a welded diff, solid bushings everywhere, dual caliper hydro setup. I ruined my daily. Boy, it's pretty sick.
It's worth it. We'll show them what we got going on here. So basically just tip 2 1/4 inch plates. I'm going to weld it, just tack, well probably not tack it, we're probably going to lay a whole bead all the way down. But you can see, just put 2 1/4 inch plates, welded them together just to sit it up a little bit higher. But there's no way he's going to be pulling this out. But yeah, going to get the holes drilled out for the hydro, stick some studs in there, and then we'll get it mounted up. I thought you were talking.
No, you talk. You tell. It's your video.
Alright, so we made the plate, got it all tacked together, drilled the holes out for the hydro, we kind of measured it out, and then just took a punch when it was laid on here to get these perfect. And then we actually countersunk the bottom half, so when we stick some bolts through, I'm going to weld that, grind it flat so it doesn't even look like it's there. So when you flip it over, you can just set this down right on top, like so.
Bam.
And it'll be ready to go, and then we just gotta weld this side into the trans tunnel and it'll be ready to fucking rip. A little bit more.
Just like that, you can't even tell that they're there, dude. Studs. That looks pretty sick.
Just gotta get this tacked in. It'll be all good.
Dude, that looks good.
Hydro brake is in, mounts in, welded up, it's ready to go. It looks very good actually. I think it came out pretty fucking sweet.
Like,
there it is. So we trimmed this Actually, we're gonna be redoing this section here so we can utilize
I could even put these
the
like
front
right here.
or that,
Double sided.
whatever you want to do. We might do it here, we might do it there. We'll figure that out later. But for now, it's in. I don't know if you'll be able to see in there. Yeah, no, definitely not. But
It's like factory though.
anyways, it's solid.
Right next to the wheel, which is
Perfect.
if you look up E46s and E36s, or if you have one, you know like one of the major problems is finding a place to put the hydro. This is like literally like factory, so I'm pretty happy with it.
Yeah, came out pretty good. If you guys like this video, leave some comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe, you know the deal. Stay tuned for more.